Ready to invest for retirement with tax-free growth? If opening a Roth IRA seems like the right move, but you're unsure of the steps, you're not alone. Today, we're opening a Schwab Roth IRA together. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where you contribute after-tax money, and your investments grow completely tax-free. Step 1. Start the Roth IRA application. On Schwab.com, click Open an account, and select Roth IRA from the retirement options. You'll need the same personal information as a brokerage account. Step 2. Choose your funding method. Once approved, you can fund it by transferring money from your bank account. Remember, for 2024, you can contribute up to $7,000, $8,000 if you're 50 or older, as long as you have that much earned income. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. You can still contribute for last year until tax day. A great feature of IRAs is that you can make prior year contributions until the tax filing deadline, usually April 15th. If it's early 2024, for example, you can still max out your 2023 contribution. So, just like that, you've taken a huge step toward a tax-free retirement. Opening a Roth IRA goes a long way in diversifying your future tax liability. Now I'm curious, are you maximizing your Roth IRA contributions each year? Why or why not? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.